Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to jailbreak iOS 18 quickly and easily. No computer required. As you can see, the Cydia app is already installed on my device, which confirms that the jailbreak worked perfectly. Jailbreaking lets you remove Apple's restrictions, so you can customize your iPhone or iPad however you want. You'll be able to install tweaks, third-party apps, and features. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do this yourself without any issues. Just follow along closely, and by the end of the video, your device will be fully unlocked. Before we get started, let's go through a couple of essential steps. First, open your device settings and go to General. Tap on Background App Refresh and make sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting allows the app to update and function properly in the background. Next, go back to the Settings menu and select Battery. Ensure that Low Power Mode is turned off. Disabling this option is important, as it can affect the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to proceed with installation. Open your browser and go to apriliab.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for Jailbreak and select it from the results. A detail page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful and the app was downloaded, and you can see it on the screen. Then when you enter the application, the installation process begins. When it is finished, reset your phone and Cydia will be installed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you, and see you in my next video.